silly.
We'll take you guys on our little driving test class.
You can do better than this.
Okay.
I swear.
Probably shouldn't wear a hat. You can't see your face that well.
I know, but I think it's kind of a vibe if both of us wear a hat. No. We're wearing matching outfits, matching shorts,
Got my cap.
ready to go.
What are you doing, Bailee? Why do you have those ugly shoes on?
What are those?
These are my driving shoes.
Your driving shoes? Ugly.
And
Jail.
I'm not even wearing socks. I don't know what's going on here.
Jail.
We can sell these pictures. We're not giving them away for free.
You guys got a little sneak peek.
No.
Showed you one big toenail.
Okay, I don't really know where to begin. This video is just chaos. There's like the microphone bouncing into frame, which is terrible. There's like the angles being filmed at. I guess we'll just do better next time. We need a car stand. This is ridiculous. This is a bumpy ride.
We also call Teddy Yeti sometimes. Yed. So if we say Yed, you know it's him.
Hi, Ted. If we get 1 like on this video,
we'll get a
car stand.
So the first few things we're going to teach Bailee is,
first of all, jail.
We're going to teach her how to downshift.
Moment.
How to downshift, how to heel toe.
No, we're not, Michael. Wow, that was so crazy.
A few moments later.
I don't think you understand that, like, I'm stressed already. We don't need to be double stressed here. Clutch down, and then position, and then handbrake. Clutch down first gear, then handbrake.
Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Oh my god.
The people who are at that pagoda are watching, and they're just like, this person doesn't know how to drive.
Let off the gas.
Stop screaming at me.
3rd gear. Off the gas.
Holy shit. Michael, I don't want to do this anymore, actually, if I'm gonna be honest. There's too many cars. I'm on the brake. I'm on the brake.
4th gear.
No.
Yes!
Hell no! Hell
This is bad for the car.
I'm not even going on the accelerator, so it's not bad for the car.
That 1st gear, going up to 3,000 revs. We are gonna give this another go.
I meant to know this.
Yeah, but manual's different from...
Michael, I did a manual.
Yeah, but you passed. It doesn't matter. People who haven't practiced don't know how to drive a manual car. You haven't have a manual license, but you don't know how to drive a manual car.
That doesn't mean we added something that's like literally borderline like...
Wait, that's illegal.
So when you're in gear, when you're trying to shift gears, just clutch down, shift to the higher gear. So 1st to 2nd, off the clutch, give some gas, and then voila. Good? Ready? When things get a little tough, you don't give up, right? Love the posture.
What the fuck is that? You don't have any gas.
We have plenty of gas.
Then what is the... We do not! It's empty!
We do not! It's empty! That was a really good shift. The best one yet. Don't do that to your lips.
This car is like looking and is like spaced itself because it knows I'm not a good driver. It's like really slowed down for me.
You don't have to slow down. Just keep the speed. And then we'll do a little U-turn.
Oh no, we shall not.
We'll go back. It's alright, just keep going.
Oh, I should downshift.
Okay, downshift.
Now what?
Keep driving.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the car's behind us.
God.
Alright, go forward and then brake and stop with the clutch down. Clutch down and brake. You're blocking the entrance.
Michael, what do I do?
Okay, come on. gas.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just
Just start the car again. It's in first gear already. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. It's good. Right. Go closer. A little closer.
I want to die.
Never go too close. Don't go too close. You won't be able to get out of it.
How about you? Michael, why would
So our other camera is dead right now, so we're gonna use this one.
my feet are very sweaty. My heart rate is so high. Probably the slowest U-turn of my life, and every single car in Hong Kong decided it was going to have to enter or leave the place I was turning. I simply...
Give it some more gas.
And then there was a crowd of people watching me.
They're cheering you on.
They were not. They were not.
The kids were like...
The parents were like, kids, come back. Come back. Come out of the road.
First gear?
How? I'm in fourth.
Yeah, go to first gear.
But that's so bad for the car.
That's not bad. If you're stopped, why would it be bad for the car?
I have no idea.
Fourth gear? Who is she? Fourth gear.
Oh.
Right, more right, more right. Touchdown.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And that's it. That's how you drive a manual car.
Actually not how to drive. So sweaty. I'm so sweaty. Can you even see my sweat stains?
This doesn't have to be on YouTube.
2,000 years later.
So it just cuts out. It just cuts out. I don't know what to say. The memory card on this camera just decided no. And that was that. So I would say it's like semi-successful, my driving. Obviously I look like the freaking hunchback of Notre Dame. Notre Dame. Notre Dame. But yeah, we're gonna end the video. This was kind of garbage, so we'll do better next week, I swear. Bye guys.
Bye viewers.
Goodbye viewers.